Good morning, Dr. Chung. My name is Eunice Sabansibal, and my metric number is 79355. I would like to present about my poster. The title of my poster is In Vitro Regeneration in Garden Balsam, Impatiens Balsamina through Cotyledons derived from seedlings. Impatient balsamina is locally known as garden balsam and is found growing throughout tropical Africa, India, Southwest Asia, southern China, and Japan, as well as parts of Europe, Russia, and North America. It has also been cultivated as an ornamental plant in many parts of the world. This study discussed attempts to create a consistent tissue culture method for impatiens balsamina, a Malaysian balsam. The objective for this research is to develop in vitro regeneration process of garden balsam using cotyledons derived from seedlings and to evaluate the effect of seedling age and various concentration of MS media in combination with different types and concentration of cytokinase or auxins. The materials that are being used in this research is MS medium, garden balsam seed, and all plant growth regulators. The methodology involves seven processes. The first is seed sterilization. All seeds are washed under running tap water for 1 hour. This followed by surface sterilization by soaking the seeds, and seeds were rinsed with sterile distilled water 3 times and blotted dry on sterile filter paper. Next, seeds were germinated on MS medium, and plant growth regulator stock solution were prepared at 1 milligram per milliliter concentration by dissolving in appropriate salt. Next, the explant preparation, which is the cotyledons and hypocotyls, were used as source of explants. Cotyledons will exist from 7, 14, and 21 days old in vitro seedling. For shoot induction experiment, the explant was transferred to shooting media consisting of MS macro and micronutrients supplemented with different concentration of cytokinin hormones. For shoot induction experiment, the explant was transferred onto rooting media. For root induction experiment, the expand were transferred onto rooting media containing MS macro and micronutrient supplemented with different concentration of NAA, IAA, or IBA. And the last step is in vitro regeneration. After 2 weeks on rooting media, plants were subcultured in different media for development observation. As a result, for the shoot experiment, the highest rate or percentage of offshoot induction was obtained for proximal cotyledons from 7 days old seedlings on MS medium. The age of the transplant is one of the factors that could influence the shooting percentage. In this present study, the youngest cotyledons, 7 days old, show the highest shooting percentage as compared to the other older age, 14 and 21 days. The highest induction of shoots with younger cotyledon explants has also been reported previously for other impatiens species. And for the root experiment, for the term root morphology, IAA show more hairy roots and longer roots formation compared to other treatment, which is with IBA or NAA shows slower root growth of more than 4 days. The concentration of MS media also affect root induction as the results show difference in root formation. The roots obtained were less hairy in full-strength MS media compared to half-strength MS media with auxin treatment. As conclusion, most efficient shoot induction was obtained from proximal part of cotyledons derived from 7 days old seedlings. On MS media supplemented with 1 milligram per liter BAP, roots were most efficiently produced on half-strength MS media supplemented 0.1 milligram per liter IAA. Further regeneration of plants was achieved after 3 weeks on hormone-free MS media. Full regeneration system of impatiens balsamina has been achieved within 8 weeks in culture. Yeah, that's all for me. Thank you.